Picture yourself on Mars, holding a rock that proves aliens once lived there. In 2025, NASA's Rovers uncovered clues that could rewrite the red planet's history. This discovery is out of this world exciting, and I'm here to break it down super simply so anyone can get it. Stick with me, because we're about to dive into a Martian mystery that's got scientists buzzing. Here's the big news. NASA's Rovers, Perseverance, and Curiosity are like robot detectives exploring Mars, thousands of miles apart across its dusty red surface. In 2025, they found something incredible. Weird rock patterns and chemical traces that hint at ancient microbes. We're not talking little green Martians, but tiny life forms like bacteria that might have lived billions of years ago when Mars had rivers and lakes. So, what exactly did they find? In Jezero Crater, Perseverance dug up rocks with strange, wavy patterns that look a lot like fossilized microbes we see on Earth. These patterns, called stromatolites, form when microbes trap dirt in water, creating layered shapes. Over in Gale Crater, Curiosity found organic molecules, chemicals that are like the building blocks of life. These don't prove life existed, but they're a huge clue because living things often make these molecules. It's like finding a footprint in the dirt. It doesn't prove someone was there, but it sure makes you wonder. Why is this such a big deal? Mars today is a cold, dry desert with no liquid water on its surface. But billions of years ago, it was a different story. Warm and wet, with rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. If microbes lived back then, it could mean life isn't just an Earth thing. It might be common across the universe. That's a game changer, like finding out the cosmos might be full of life, not just our little blue planet. How did the rovers do this? They're packed with amazing tools. Perseverance has a drill to grab rock samples, lasers to zap rocks and analyze them, and a mini lab to study the soil. Curiosity has similar gear, sniffing out chemicals in the dirt. Perseverance is even collecting samples in special containers for a future mission to bring them back to Earth, possibly by 2031. Imagine scientists studying actual Martian rocks to confirm if life was there. It's like getting a letter from Mars' past. This discovery tackles a huge question. Could Mars have supported life? These finds, fossilized patterns, and organic molecules suggest it might have long ago. But we're not jumping to conclusions. Things like volcanoes or chemical reactions in water can make similar patterns and molecules. Scientists are being super careful, saying these are strong clues, not proof. It's like finding a puzzle piece that fits, but we need more to see the whole picture. What's next? NASA's planning a Mars sample return mission to bring those rocks back to Earth. Scientists will use advanced labs to look for definite signs of life, like fossilized cells or chemical markers. They're also using telescopes and new spacecraft to scan Mars for more hints. Every step gets us closer to answering whether life once existed there. This find changes how we see the universe. If Mars had life, even tiny microbes, it could mean life is everywhere. Maybe on planets around other stars or moons, like Europa, one of Jupiter's icy worlds. It's a step toward answering the big question, are we alone? Plus, it helps us plan for future Mars missions. Knowing the planet's past could guide where we build bases or search for water if humans ever go there. This discovery also sparks big ideas. Could life still be hiding on Mars? Maybe underground where water might exist? Some scientists think microbes could survive in pockets of liquid water beneath the surface. Future missions might drill deeper to find out. And this isn't just about Mars, it's about the whole universe. If life was on 2 planets in our solar system, it boosts the odds we'll find it elsewhere. This is why science is so thrilling. It's about asking huge questions like, was there life on Mars? Could we find it elsewhere? If you could explore Mars, what would you look for? Fossils, hidden microbes, or just the red canyons? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Science Ion for more epic science discoveries. Let's keep exploring the cosmos together.